Hi, myself Lavanya, Assistant Professor from CSIT Department in MLR Institute of Technology. And today we'll discuss HTML table tags and hyperlink tags, right? And this is the overview of today's class. HTML table tag, example of HTML table tag and example of table tags, row and column space of table tags, and table attributes with examples. For table, we are having few attributes are there. For that, we'll see the examples also by using those attributes. And next is the hyperlink tag. What is hyperlink tag? Why we are using it? And with example. This is the overview of today's lecture. Coming to table tag. What is table? If you want to insert any table in the web page, you have to use this table tags, right? This is my web page. This is my HTML or any web page, right? I want to insert some certain table here with some rows and some columns, right? For that, we need to use the table tag. Tables are defined with the table tag. The table keyword is surrounded with angular brackets, right? This is the tag. And tables are divided into table rows with tr tag, right? Each and every, this table is divided with tr tags, right? And table rows are divided into table data with the td tag. If you want to insert any data into the table, for example, name as Lavanya, right? For inserting this data, you need to use this td tag. By using td tag, we need to insert the data into the table, right? It contains all sorts of HTML elements like text, images, list, other tables also, right? We can insert the images also into the table, right? And list also into the table. For example, my heading is picture, some picture, right? You want to insert the pictures in this row also, right? In this column also, right? So, it includes images, list and other tables also, nested tables, table within the tables also, right? A table row can also be divided into table headings, right? Like this, tr, first th tag, right? Table heading, name, roll number, section, right? This is the table headings. These all are defined by using th tag, right? And if you do not specify a border for the table, right? If you do not specify any border for the table, it will display without borders, right? It will display like name, roll number, section. That's it, right? It will not display this borders, right? You have to mention the borders also for tables, right? If you do not specify a border for a table, it will display without borders, right? This is about the table tag, right? And we'll see one example for the table, right? Always the table starts with the table tag, right? For example, I want to insert this table, right? Name, roll number and section, right? Name is ABC 123 A section, BCD 345 B section, right? I want to insert this table, right, into web page. For that, first you need to insert the table, right? For that, we need to use table tag, right? Table tag, right? Already we discussed, right? You have to mention the border for the table only, right? Table, so that border equals to 1 and style equal to width of that border is 100%, right? Then it will gives the border for the table, right? Like this. And next, after that, I want to insert this first row, right? I want to insert this first row, that is the heading row, right? So, first, the row starts with tr tag. Next, these all are my headings of the table, right? So, then th as the heading. What is the first heading? Name. Next, close the th tag, right? After that, next heading is roll number. Next heading is section, and after that th, next roll number and close that th, and next after that next is the section, right? Like this we need to insert the headings. After that first one row is completed, right? One row is completed up to here, then close the tr tag, right? In first heading, the table headings are first name, last name and points, right? For those headings we need to use th tag, right? After that for those headings we need to insert the values, insert the data, right? And next again we can start the next row for data entry purpose, right? So again start the tr, next we need to insert the td, data for the headings, right? For that we need to use td tag, right? EV Jackson 94 are the points. First name is EV, second name is Jackson, and third column is points, right? 94 points. Got 94 points, right? And second row is completed, right? If you want to insert one more row, right? If you want to insert one more row, then start again tr, right? Again tr start, next row is starting, and next td for that row. For this second row we need to insert the data, right? td, and abc is first name, close td, and td second name is bcd, close the td, and what are the points, right? Points are 30, close td, like this we need, and next close the tr, right? Second row completed. Like this we need to create the tables, right? For this example, this is the output. First name is EV, second name is Jackson, and points are 94, right? Here we need to mention the border also, border 1, and style is width is 100%, right? If you have to insert border is 20, right? Border size is 20, then style of width is 50, right? Width, border width is 50, right? Then it will give this output, right? Like this we need to insert normal table, right? Next, if you want to insert column space and column span and row span, right? For example, first name and last name, right? In timetable, right? In timetable we saw WTF, lab. For lab we need to one column WTF and 3 slots are there, right? These all are, one is WTF, overall 3 periods as WTF. So we need to mention one WTF, merge of these 3 is WTF. So we can display like this, right? WTF, next 3 periods, timings are there, right? 1:30 to 2:20, 2:20 to 3:10, 3:10 to 4, like this, right? So these 3 slots are having only one name. These 3 periods are having WTF lab, right? When we are using this column span and row span, right? For that we need to use, always starts with table, and you can mention the border also. Next, tr tag, right? tr tag. If you want to insert any heading, for heading here we need to use WTF, right? For that you have to insert here WTF lab. Next, close that, and next this is for only one row, right? That is WTF, right? Next we need to insert column 1, column 2, column 3. 3 periods are there, right? So for column 1, the time is 1:30 to 2:20. Here the time is 2:20 to 3:10. Here the time is 3:10 to 4, right? For that we need 3 columns, right? Here column span is 3, clear. The heading is WTF lab. First row is completed up to here. Next second row is open. TD is timing, and TD is timing, and TD is timing, and close the TR tag, right? Like this we need to insert the column span. Same row span also here, right? For example, first name, last name, and name is here. Example table is F name, L name, and here name is there. Name is merged with both rows, right? Next, TR, TD is open, row 1, first row, right? Column 1. Next, we need to insert row span 2 and merged rows. Here, merged rows are this, right? Name is here and TR closed, and again TR open, row 2 and column. Like this, we need to insert the row span and columns span, right? For this program, the output is this measured columns and column 1 and column 2. Here for this row span, this is the example output, right? And coming to next, table attributes. What are the attributes? Are there tables? These are the attributes. Alignment is one attribute. For example, within the here specifies the alignment of your table according to surrounding text. Based upon the surrounding text, it specifies the alignment of your table. If you want to insert left or right or center, right? Background colors and borders, it specify whether the cells should have a border or not, right? You can specify your cells. Do you want to insert your cells with border or not, right? Cell padding, right? It specifies the space between the cell wall and the cell content, right? Whatever the content is there, for that content, how much padding you want to give, right? Next, cell spacing and frames. Frames means specify which part of the outside border that should be visible, right? And rules. Next, width of the table. Specify the width of the table, right? These are the attributes, right? For these attributes, we need to see one example. Table is the border, right? Table is first tag, and here my caption or the heading is employee information, right? My heading is employee information, and T headings, right? For example, first table heading TH is ID. For that, we need to start the row. Without these also we can write, right? TR first row is ID, name, position, salary. These are my headings, right? Close TR and close the head, right? After that, table body, right? I want to insert 1, 2, 3 rows are there, right? First row is some one data is there, and second is second data, third is third person data, right? Up to here, body is closed, table body is closed. This is the table heading and this is the table body, right? And after that, table footer, right? Column space. Here the total employees, right? Here we can use column span, right? For these 3 columns, we need one heading, right? For that, we need to use column span as 3 columns, and total employees are there, and TD is 3, right? TD is 3, and close that footer and also table tag. These all are the attributes. TD is one attribute, TR is one attribute, and these all are the attributes of table, right? And next topic is hyperlinks, right? If you want to insert any hyperlinks in your web page, for example, in my web page there is no space. For example, there is no space. In Wikipedia, we can write insert one link for knowing any reference link, like reference links. We can create one page. For that page, we need to refer one text, right? For that page, we need to refer one text. Here example is there. For example, if you want to learn about colleges, right? If you want to know about colleges, list of 1000 colleges, right? In that web pages, 100 colleges are there, and here in this web page only we can give the links for each and every college, right? By click on this link, it will move to the particular college site, right? Based upon by using this link, we can see the college link easily, college information easily, right? And here, this is the hyperlink tag. We have to use href anchor tag and h-reference. Hyperlink reference is, this is one hyperlink reference, http ://www.mlr18. This is the site. This is the link for open that site. You can give that link here, reference here, and you need to give the alternate text here, right? Alternate text here. Based upon this, visit our MLR80, then it will display here like this. Then by clicking on this, we can go to the MLR80 site, right? Here one example is there. all HTML tag. Next, here taking one heading, they are taking one heading, that is example of adding a link. For adding a link, this is the example, and within the body we need to give the link reference, right? Click on the following link. This is the paragraph. Within the paragraph we need to give the link, right? Visit our MLRAT, the alternative site, alternative text, right? By clicking on this MLRAT, it will open, right? And this is the hyperlink, okay? And HTML links colors, right? When you move the mouse over a link, okay, when you move MLRAT link is here, right? For example, one link is there. For example, YouTube link is here, right? When you move the mouse over a link, right, two things will normally happen, right? When you move the link mouse towards the when you move the mouse towards the link, two things are happen. The mouse arrow will turn into a little hand, right? All are experienced, right? The arrow will turn into little hand. The color of the link element will change, right? These two things are happen when your mouse goes towards the link, right? By default, a link will appear like this, right? An unvisited link is underlined and blue color, and visited link is shown in purple color, and active link is underlined and red color. Like this, the links are appear, right? This is about hyperlinks, right? Now we'll see one program on table and one program on hyperlinks, right? First we need to see hyperlink program, right? Okay, how to execute the HTML program? Go to notepad. Within the notepad you need to create the program HTML, and my heading is hyperlinks. Hyperlink is my heading. Hyperlink is my heading, and within the body some MLRAT as my body, and here I need to give the MLRAT site name and visitor MLRAT site. And this is my hyperlink, right? Control S, save this program as, save as, LEC.html, right? This is the HTML program, and go to desktop, save, right? Minimize this, and where is our HTML pages? What happened? Open notepad, file, save as, abc.html, abc.html on desktop, right? Save, minimize this abc file, and here abc is there, right? Open this abc. Like this, the hyperlink will appear. See here, two things are happened, right? When you move the mouse towards the link, then it will like little hand, right? This is the little hand. By clicking on this link, then the MLRAT page is open here, right? This is about hyperlink program. And for the table, we need to use one, we need to see one program for table. What is our basic tag? Table is the basic tag for creating any table. table as the basic tag, right? Notepad. Where is notepad? Notepad is there, right? By click here. Table is border 1, style is width is 100. My headings are first name, last name and points. These are the example are there, right? Close the tr tag and table tag, right? This up to here first row is completed, that is the heading, and this is the second row, this is the EV, right? First C without borders, right? Without borders and styles. Without borders and styles, we need to create the table. Okay. See how it will execute. Save the program. Table.html is my program name, right? On the desktop. Save. Okay. Where is the program? See here, table is open, right? There is no border for the table, right? Without giving any borders here, styles here, then it will shows like this, right? Without borders, it will display. Clear? Now we'll give one border. Okay, borders here. This is the border 1 and style width. Give some styles. Next, save. Open. How it will display. Right, with the border, it will display like this. We need to insert the tables within the web page. Thank you.